welcome into my Easter spring home tour of 2021. Listen, I have been crafting and decorating up a storm and sharing with you guys so many fun and easy tutorials on how you can make your homes boutique gorgeous on a budget. I thought it would be fun to peek around my home and see how I've used all of my DIYs and my little crafty decor projects. I love to peek into other people's homes and see how they craft and decorate and put everything together. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Grab a cup of coffee, hot chocolate, hot tea, whatever you all love to drink. Kick back and let's check out my Easter spring home tour for 2021. So welcome into my Easter home, starting with my front door and moving into my living room. I have a rather small home, but I always want it to feel like it is just warm and cozy. And so I have lots of pillows and blankets and this oversized comfy couch. And then here is my blooming spring floral to greet my guests. And then of course I have tons of pictures of my family and my kiddos. And here's that really cute little DIY Easter jelly bean peep floral that we did. And then moving in to my blooming Easter mantle, I shared a DIY with you guys on that. And those cute little pillows I found at the Target dollar spot. You guys know I love to bargain shop. And then we have these beautiful open windows. I love to open them and bring all of the light in. It just makes it feel so happy in here. And then moving on, we have BINGE Bear. He is really the star of the show. You guys love him. So say hi to BINGE Bear. And then here is my cute little gnome. I found him at TJ Maxx, and then those beautiful Easter topiaries Mr. Romantic surprised me with. Now I shared with you guys a DIY on this beautiful blooming mantle. We jazzed up some $1 Target dollar spot carrots, and then I do have my little cozy fire going. It is a real kind of working faux fireplace, I guess you would say. But it puts off heat, which is really nice because we still get some pretty chilly spring days. And then there's those Dollar Tree eggs that we decoupage, and those beautiful blooming butterflies, and just this mantle all came together. Now if you guys want to see how I put this entire mantle together, I will link that down below in my I Love Spring series. You guys can check that out. I also introduced this faux grass this year. This was also at Hobby Lobby, and all of Hobby Lobby's goodies right now are 40% off, so that makes it really fun. But I just thought it would be a fun thing to add to the front of the fireplace to just make it feel a little bit more springtime fabulous. Now moving into my dining room, I wanted to create a very whimsical, almost Alice in Wonderland feel for this dining room. And again, here are some of our DIYs with a little cute egg topiary and this beautiful blooming floral. And then I snagged these amazing little bunny goodies from Tuesday morning. And then we decoupaged some of those cute little Easter bunnies with some Mackenzie Child's napkins. You guys, I've had so much fun crafting with you guys, getting ready for this spring and Easter season. And then there's those super adorable little bunny plates, and they're actually paper plates from Walmart. They're from the Pioneer Woman section, and I just love her stuff. And then I created a really fun little kind of blooming chandelier, as well as this fun and fabulous over-the-top blooming shelf. So I know I'm saying blooming a lot, but I just feel like spring is that perfect time to bring color into your home and just to make things feel fresh and new. And it's just that sign of hope that there's joy and so many fun things to look forward to. So that is what I was going for, and I hope you guys are enjoying this home tour. And then I have to share with you, the first sign of spring has bloomed in my front yard with my little daffodils that are out by my antique bike. And I'm just going to put them in this cute little vintage picture. It's just an old teapot that I picked up from the local flea market. And then my cute little bunny soap dispenser I found at Home Goods a couple of days ago. And then I added some cute little Happy Easter towels. And that made my springtime little bathroom just have some fun and fabulous goodness. My home is rather small. My bathroom is very small as well. Now I do want to do a DIY actually on the picture that is above the toilet, so that might be coming up. And the next thing I had to share with you guys is my little bedroom. I shared with you guys an update on my bedroom and how I kind of created this look, but I did add some springtime goodness with the pink pillows and then the pink little bunny blanket. Both of those I found at TJ Maxx, and I thought that just really kind of jazzed things up without going too totally over the top. I created those little florals with some clearance flowers I actually found at Michael's. I love to shop the clearance section of all of the florals at the end of the season. And then these beautiful tables and mirror and lamp, they all came from Hobby Lobby. Again, I shopped those 40 to 50% off sales, so you can really get some great deals. And this just gives it kind of this feeling of romance and comfort and joy, which is always how I approach my decorating. I want things to be comfortable and have a hint of romance and a big bright piece of joy. And so there's my little family on my kind of beauty space over here, and my little daughter loves to write me notes, and so it's just a fun little thing. And so here's my front yard. Here's that little vintage bike that I was talking about. It's actually an old exercise bike that I picked up for next to nothing at a garage sale. And there's my little blooming door. I shared with you guys a DIY on this as well. and that cute little hat. This is all Dollar Tree. So you guys go check out some of those spring goodies and those spring DIYs that I've been sharing with you guys. And I have so many more DIYs to share in more upcoming videos, so I cannot wait for you guys to join me on that. Also look for new giveaways coming up as well. So thank you all so much for joining me on my Easter Spring Home Tour for 2021. I hope you guys have been so inspired to craft and decorate and make your homes just a comfy, relaxing place to be. It is a blessing and an honor to have you all here. I want to thank you guys so much for all of your kind comments. Your love and support truly means the world. Now listen, I would love to invite you all to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's totally free. You can punch that bell. It will update you every time I post a new video. I post 3 new videos a week, and I love to just inspire you to craft and decorate. I feel like it's so good for your heart and soul to make your place this cozy, fun place to be. Now, I also love to keep you guys inspired on Facebook, so I share several DIY videos and tutorials a day over there. Pop over there, follow me over there. We have such a great community over there. And if you're even bold enough to share photos of your home decor and DIY projects and you want to connect with other crafty decor peeps, I have an Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook group page. It is a totally free place over there as well to join, and it's just for kindness, it's for commenting and just being encouraging and loving towards one another and sharing our DIY and crafts over there. I also would love to invite you over to my Instagram page. I share a good morning cup of coffee with you guys every morning, as well as a daily prayer card just to keep you guys encouraged, and I get those daily prayer cards from Dollar Tree. So I want to hug your guys' hearts all so tight. I want to thank you guys for being here. We have so much more fun crafting and decorating. I love to share with you guys how you can have a boutique, gorgeous home on a budget. You don't have to break the bank to have a fabulous, amazing space. So thank you guys again for being here. I can't wait for our next crafty decor adventure, but until then, remember, be kind to yourselves and be kind to one another, and we'll talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.